I'm going to pull the fire alarm at the swimming pool.
What's going on?
Sounds like Beatrice Castle pulled the fire alarm. Come on, Leon Scott Kennedy, let's get out of here.
Okay, Jade.
Where?
Yay! I pulled the fire alarm at the swimming pool. Now I'm going to study the best mall. Oh no! It's Miss Vanthrax.
Beatrice Castle. How dare you pull the fire alarm at the swimming pool? That's it. I'm calling your dad right now.
Wait, go on.
Beatrice Castle. You piece of crap. How dare you pull the fire alarm at the swimming pool? You know that you might get arrested for that, because pulling the fire alarm at the swimming pool is a serious crime. That's it. You're grounded. For 9362 weeks. Go to your room and go to bed now.
No,